the beauty of filmmaking is exactly what you are seeing here. I mean, just zoom in that lady and explain to me if that is not the epitome of beauty. Thank you.
Obed.
Okay.
We'll have fun first. Can you please?
Turn off the camera. Kuna kamera yako ndani, we switch off kwanza. Sawa? Kuna kamera yako hapo juu, we switch off kwanza.
Ama juu ya bebe. CCTV. Don't watch.
Oscar.
Hey God.
She got it. She got
No, I got it.
Okay. So now the lighting scheme has to change. Amtaka hivyo lakini sio. I want this to be. Really at all.
Waichukuja.
This to be after the science. And then put part in an awkward.
Do you have a lesson?
I have a window curtain.
No, so the curtain.
The window curtain is
It's more of a lesson than a curtain.
I'll tie his shirt, I'll slip you under sheet, and I'll tie your tops, and then I'll have the sheet if you have to raise the board. And his chest all over the place.
What happened? Maybe.
akitoa mimba yangu nitamtwanga ingine. Umenikalia chapati nataka mandondo nikule nikukule.
Snow White announcement. There's a queen. She's the evil queen.
Oh my god.
And you look like her. What's happening?
Mirror on the wall. Who is the most beautiful of them all? And then she says,
I'm afraid, my queen, another has been born who's more beautiful than you.
and then she went mad. Alright. If you don't like that one, useme tukae. Avalingo. Do you like it?
You like it?
Do you like what you see? It's alright. No.
That means yes.
Hapa hivi. Sure.
Sister umesikia? With me in this dress.
I was wondering whose phone has that ugly ring. I need to get some kiasi.
Nakuombea usitoe mimba yangu wewe, ukitoa mimba yangu nitakutwanga nyingine.
Very soon. In about a week's time, maybe 2 weeks.
300 meters,
Yeah. I'll still be around.
You should be.
We sleep. We cuddle. See, we already kissed.
It has
No, he should.
He should kiss you.
No, we should paka lipstick. Where is lipstick?
It's behind the scenes.
So kiss. Hurry up. Don't see that kiss coming.
Stop it. Go.
take it bana. I want to see coming.
This is not the love of your life. Okay.
It's just a quickie.
This is
She's coming.
She is feeling so comfortable that she has conquered you. And you are thinking about what counts. That's what she lives for.
Wait, banaka mtu akafiki bana mekaangoja bana Miles.
Yeah, alright, now silence.
Sawa.
Silence.
She's having sex.
She's busy. Can you go?
How do you know she's having sex?
Because she was inside the house and she didn't respond.
So she's having watu kumbe walikuwa wanaandikia na poems
Bana, watu wamelala wengine anaandika na poems. Wacha tu.
no comment. Okay, so as you say, you doing that.
Alright.
And ngoja.
Si ndio ingie, alafu wapate tu hivyo and then utoke mbio sana. Alright.
Asema nashuka kwa natoka mbio. Sije tutakimbia. Shuka ni hivi. Fanya vitu ndio utapata boyfriend yako akifanya hivyo na vitu.
Have you ever had a boyfriend?
Ilikuwa kwa not just
Wewe, niangalia hapa. Kuja. Ndani kabisa. Hapo uangalie.
hapo.
Uangalie.
Samora.
Sio kla.
Wewe mote na waka tunachomeka.
Unajua hapa ndio nasimama na hii ndio sufui.
Change light Samora. Leta nyingine.
Alright, next step. Alright, stand by. Action. Si kutoka hapo unatoka. Action. Smart. Hebu tena nifungua mlango tena. Action. That's Maria, man. Rudy. Don't smile. Stand by, action.
Nikuletea dress ya black. Mfanane. Hizi zote. I'm yawning.
Reverse, baby, pull up.
I don't know.
Yeah, say something.
Lens.
Hi.
No, I am saying the ile part ya mwisho, the ending part. Maybe tulimalizia the first day.
It's just there's so much sun here, so had to cover my
Oi. Nimefanya jini kadao lizi na zote. 889775444.
Say something.
Can a village girl wear this?
Napenda go cross hapo kwa rap yake. What you doing?
Reflector.
A new catch. Nice.
Your new catch. Did you leave me?
Are you?
She's pretty. Ebu stand there kwanza a minute. She's so pretty, yani. You have to go. Bye. Bye.
Should I reactivate my video? Wait, my assistant left me. Oh, he left me.
Yeah, this is your boy. Midnight.
Alright, sasa
Playing best boy.
unakuja unamwambia,
My director, son.
unamwambia,
A nice day. Had fun. Had sex. Fellowship minutes. It's nice. That's all. Instagram.
So utakuja mwanzo msalimie, mwambie kuna kitu ulikuwa unataka muongee. Mkuje mkae hapa. And then avocado 1 2 3 4 5 6. And then unamuuliza after nini ushamsalimia hivyo mbele nini ulikuwa unataka muongee, mkuje mkae hapa. Kuna kitu ulikuwa nako ka red.
Ni ya pink. Sijui.
Ila ni pink si red.
Color black man.
Sawa, kaleka kitu. Sawa, si ndio? Real quick. Atafita hapo ndani?
Atafita hapa.
Oscar.
That's money. Turn your melon.
Alright, cut. Stop, stand by.